Hello, this is Tank644, and I'll be doing a unboxing of Twisted Tempo. This will be my last unboxing of the day of our shopping spree. Yeah, it's a 145 WD defense, wide defense bay. And there's the picture of the parts. Here is stats. As you can see, pretty much no attack power, but high defense. Very. So let's get this open. Oh no, that is the symbol on his face bolt. There's his tool, clear just like the lower parts. Just ignore the noise in the background. There's the ripcord. And his launcher. With the printed on thing. Nice. And here's the face bolt, kind of like a clock. The energy ring, tempo. The twisted or basalt, fusion wheel. Clear 145 spin track, and a clear wide defense tip. So, there's Twisted Tempo. And that was my last unboxing of the day. So, peace, subscribe, and keep on blading.